Why do women leave handsome men?
Because pretty is not peace.
Looks aren't enough?
No, a nice face can't fix stress, confusion, or weak effort.
Tell me, what's the one thing Grandma always says to you?
As long as you're okay, I'm okay.
That's the kind of love that lasts forever.
I just don't ever want her to stop saying it.
You're making me feel this too. Who spoils you the most?
My grandma.
What does she do?
She gave me cookies.
That sounds nice.
And money.
Money too?
Yes.
Who is the nicest person in your family?
My grandma.
What makes her so nice?
She gave me candy.
That's sweet.
That's my grandma away from mommy.
So what happens when you get in true?
My dad said, ask your mom. My mom said, ask your dad. Grandma said, don't ask, just take a cookie. That's why grandma's my favorite.
So tell me, why does Daddy go to work every day?
So mommy can tap on her phone.
Tap on her phone?
Yeah, she taps and boxes come to the house.
So you're 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
5.
What is the secret to a happy marriage?
Tell your wife she looks pretty, even if she looks like a potato.
That's not what your dad does.
No, that's why he sleeps on the couch with the dog.
What's the first thing Mom does in the morning?
She checks if coffee is ready.
And then?
Then she becomes nice, funny, happy, and finally ready for us.
So what do you do when your parents say...
My mom says go to sleep, my dad says go to sleep, Grandma says stay with me, and I say okay.
Wait, you go to sleep or...
No. I go to Grandma.
Who do you ask when you want something?
Mommy.
Why not Daddy?
Because Daddy says ask your mom before I even finish my question.
Where do babies actually come from?
They get ordered online.
Ordered online.
My mom said the delivery coming soon. Then she came home with my baby brother.
What does Mum carry everywhere?
Her bag all the time.
What's inside her bag?
Everything except the one thing she needs right now.
So who's the boss at home?
My dad says he's the boss. My mom says no. Grandma says everybody relax. And I say I'm hungry.
Huh? Wait, who's actually...
Whoever has food. I follow the snacks.
Will you get married someday?
No.
Why not?
Because my dad told me, son, don't get married unless you like saying sorry all the time.
Who controls the air conditioning?
Daddy. He touches it. Mommy touches back. Daddy touches again. They fight, but no talking.
Who tells the best stories?
Grandma.
What kind of stories?
About how Mom was worse than me every time.
Do you listen to your parents?
No.
No? Why?
They don't listen either. It's not fair. I'm not doing it alone.
This is a team effort. A team?
Yes.
Do you do your homework every night?
My dad does it.
Your dad does your homework?
Yeah, but please don't tell my teacher.
Tell me, what makes your grandma so special?
She never lets me feel alone, not even for 1 minute.
That's the kind of love you remember forever.
I don't ever want to lose her.
I hear you, and she hears you too.
What does success mean to you?
Success means making people happy.
Not becoming famous?
If you make people happy, you're already famous in their hearts.
How do you think babies are made?
They mix flour and milk and then wait 9 months.
9 months? Why so long?
Because it's a slow cooker recipe.
What makes your grandma so special?
She does everything for me. She cooks, she hugs, she fixes my whole day. I don't ever want to lose her.
Oh, wow.
Are you excited to have a new baby sister?
I guess.
Just I guess?
Well, I asked Mom if we can have a free trial first to see if she cries as much as the last one.
What do people do on a first date?
They tell each other lies so they'll want to go on the second one.
Does that actually work?
Yes, that's how my dad got my mom.
Think the baby likes you?
Yes.
How do you know?
She cries louder when I leave. That's fan behavior.
Who apologizes first after an argument?
Dad.
Even if he's right.
Especially if he's right.
How did your mom and dad fall in love?
Dad said he couldn't live without her. Now he can't live without asking her permission.
Do you have a boyfriend at school?
Not anymore. We broke up because he wouldn't share his nuggets.
That's a tough reason.
If you can't share a nugget, you can't share a life.
When mom and dad argue, who says sorry first?
Dad.
Why?
Because he likes sleeping inside the house.
What should a daddy do if he's in trouble with mommy?
Give her a really long hug.
And if she's still mad after the hug?
Tell her she looks pretty even when she's scary mad.
So what do you do when mom and dad both say no?
I do a little cry.
And does it work?
Sometimes. But it works better when Grandma's around.
What does mom say a lot?
She says 1 minute.
Is it really 1 minute?
No. It's a mom minute. Nobody knows how long that
Do you want a girlfriend one day?
is. Nope.
Why not?
Because they take your snacks. My sister took my cookies. I'm not risking it again.
Does your daddy have any secrets?
He has a private folder on his phone with a different password. Mommy asked her what is in it. Daddy said work stuff. It was his car. Right before the accident.
How many times should you hug in a day?
Lots and lots. Hugs make everything better.
What about your parents?
They don't hug enough. I have to remind them.
What does Grandma do best?
She listens, even when I don't talk.
That's the kind of listening the world needs.
She hears my heart, even when it's quiet.
You're gonna make me cry right here.
What happens when you don't want to sleep?
I pretend to sleep.
And does it work?
No, Mommy has X-ray eyes.
Tell me, what's Grandma's superpower?
She cooks like she's feeding the whole world.
That's the kind of food you never forget.
But it's not just the food, it's the love she puts inside it.
You're making me feel this too.
When Mummy and Daddy argue, whose team are you on?
I'm on Daddy's team.
Really? Why Daddy and not Mummy?
Because Mommy's the strong one. Daddy is the one who needs backup.
Can you mimic your mom?
Yes!
What does she say to your dad?
Honey, I love you so much. You're the best husband in the world. Can I use your credit card?
What does mommy say after shopping?
It was on sale. Daddy looks at the bags, looks at Mommy, says nothing, just walks away.
Who cooks better, mommy or grandma?
Grandma.
Really?
Grandma food makes you happy, Mommy food makes you play.
So what does your daddy do?
He's a policeman.
Wow, that means he's brave and catches bad guys, right?
Yeah, but he's scared of Mom. He's brave outside the house.
Why don't babies have teeth?
They forgot to install them. Yeah, that update comes later.
Would you like to be a teacher when you grow up?
No way. I don't want to spend my whole life in a classroom.
But you'd be the one in charge.
I'm already in charge of my toys and they listen better than students.
What's the best thing Grandma gives you?
Her time. She always has time for me.
That's priceless. More than anything money can buy.
I just don't want that time to end.